How to use Studypool to earn money. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we'll be explaining. So if you guys are looking for Studypool is an application that allows users to earn money by answering questions, selling study materials, or referring new users. So one of the easiest way is becoming a tutor. You can just sign up as a tutor for that. Head over and look out for studypool.com and look out for the sign-in page of becoming a tutor. So click on become a tutor and you need to provide in the necessary information. You will need a valid email, a government issued ID, and a potentially proof of education that you would like to provide and indicate your areas of expertise as well. You may look out for this apply now option and head over and create an account for becoming a tutor. You will be requiring your email address. After that, your username and password. After that, tap on create account and just head over and create an account for your study pool. After that is done, you can just head over and find the questions in your subject area and be to answer them for free. And then after that is done, you can just head over to the application and upload class notes, old homework, practice test, and other study materials to the note bank. Here you can just go ahead and sell your study materials. So you can just go ahead and upload comprehensive, well-structured, and error-free documents. And after that is done, you can earn up to $10 per view. Even though if anybody's not using it, just on basis of view, you will be getting $10. And more than that, if you will just go ahead and accept and use your documents provided in study pool, and ensure that you are avoiding low quality content, duplicate content, and copyrighted material, as those may lead to rejection. So just head over and ensure that. After that, you can even find a unique referral code within the study pool application. You may just go ahead and find it up and you can share it with your friends and you can earn a commission or a bonus for each new users who sign up using your link. And that is it. So these are some of the methods available if you would like to earn money using Studypool. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.